Hi, I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. And I'm doing a quick little video to show you one little trick, but it's really to open a door for you to discover other little tricks about formatting text. But before I show you this trick, hit that subscribe button because I have a whole lot more videos coming out on how to use Google Workspace and Gmail, and I create them for you. Look, the question was, how do I put strike through on text? No big deal, or is it? So, I want to put strike through on that text right there. These words, feculent URLs. Do a Google search on that. It was a funny word I learned this morning. So I go, look, where do I do that? It's not going to be there. It's not going to be here. I don't know where it is, okay? There's no font. There's no function right there to do it. It's not under there. It's hidden. Format, text, strike through. That's where it is right there. So if you highlight the words you want to format with strike through, format, text, and strike through, or simply highlight that text that you want to format that way and do Shift Command X or Shift Control X on a PC, and then Shift Control or Shift Command X to take it back off. Why did I create this video to show that to you? Not just because of the strike through, but to show you that when you're formatting text in Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Drive, Google Slides, any place within Google where you can do formatting, and you basically would have this menu system, you got to look in different places. There's different, it's not all going to be easily discoverable. So understand what some of the command keys are. I love using a keyboard before I go sliding across a mouse tab or a touchpad. Look and see what all the different commands are that are hidden under this menu so that you get more efficient using Google Workspace and Gmail and Google Docs. Hey, I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope you go exploring and find things that can help you become more efficient using Google Workspace and Google Docs.